Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect Zoho CRM to N8N. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to your web browser and open app.n8n.cloud and log in to your N8N account. From the main dashboard, we're going to create a new workflow by clicking right here. And then, the first step would be to click here, and right after, a search node will appear on the right. On that search node, type in Zoho CRM and click on the option that would appear. Now, let us first select a trigger. I'm gonna click on a schedule. From this, we can select which would be our trigger interval, our days between triggers, what are with a trigger, and the trigger at a minute. And then shortly after, we're gonna go back to our canvas by clicking here. Next, go to this option right here, as you can see, and from the drop-down menu, click on Open. We now need to connect this with a credential. If you have an existing one, use it, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna create a new one. After that, click on Connect My Account, and then N8N would ask for permission to connect it with Zoho CRM. So, simply accept and allow, and you should see this notification right here, which means your account is already connected. Then, we're gonna select the resource, the operation, and we're gonna provide an account name. After that, go back to Canvas, and that's it. We've successfully connected N8N with Zoho CRM. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!